Hello everyone. Well, the wind is easing up a little bit, but it was really scary here a couple minutes ago. I don't think I've ever seen it wind blow that hard with the rain. So God is protecting us, delivering us from evil, and we are getting some rain, but it came with a lot of wind. So God bless you all. Stay safe. Put your trust in Jesus Christ. He's the only one can help us in these times. Yeah, the wind was so strong I couldn't even open the door. The air pressure was so strong outside.
Done?
Have a good one. God bless and stay safe. Bye-bye.